Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 1st, 2025, and we're diving into Ventas's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Ventas, a leading real estate investment trust, has just released its results, showcasing significant growth in its senior housing portfolio. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ventas has indeed reported a strong start to the year, driven by its strategic investments in senior housing, which is a key growth area for the company.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Ventas reported total revenues of $1.36 billion for the first quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to their performance last year?
Ventas has shown a solid increase in revenue compared to the previous year, primarily driven by a 7.4% growth in revenue from their senior housing operating portfolio. This segment alone contributed significantly to their overall performance, reflecting the company's strategic focus on this area.
And what about profitability?
The company reported a net income of $46.9 million, translating to 10 cents per share. Additionally, their normalized funds from operations, a key metric for REITs, increased by 8% to 84 per share, indicating strong operational performance.
Strategic investments and growth. Ventas has been quite active in terms of investments. Can you elaborate on their strategic moves this quarter?
Absolutely. Ventas closed approximately $900 million in investments focused on senior housing, which is expected to drive multi-year growth. They also entered into equity forward sales agreements for $1.1 billion, enhancing their financial flexibility. Moreover, they expanded their unsecured credit facility by $750 million, bringing it to a total of $3.5 billion, which further strengthens their liquidity position.
How does this align with their growth strategy?
These investments are in line with Ventas's strategy of focusing on the right market, right asset, right operator approach. By investing in senior housing, they are capitalizing on the growing demand in this sector, which is expected to yield attractive returns over the coming years.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 82 cents. How did Ventas perform in this regard?
Ventas exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of 84 cents, beating the forecast by 2 cents. This beat is a testament to their effective cost management and strategic investments, which have bolstered their financial performance.
How many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There were 6 analysts who provided estimates for this quarter, and Ventas's performance has certainly surpassed their collective expectations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you shed some light on Ventas's operational efficiencies and their outlook for the rest of the year?
Ventas has improved its net debt to EBITDA ratio to 5.7x, reflecting better leverage management. They have $2.9 billion in liquidity, which positions them well for future investments. The company has reaffirmed its 2025 guidance with an increased investment target in senior housing to $1.5 billion, indicating confidence in their growth trajectory.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this signals a strong commitment to growth and value creation. Ventas's strategic focus on senior housing, coupled with their robust financial position, makes them a compelling investment opportunity in the real estate sector.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ventas has delivered a strong first quarter with impressive growth in their senior housing portfolio and strategic investments. Their financial performance has exceeded expectations, and they are well positioned for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Ventas's strategic focus and financial strength indeed make them a standout in the REIT sector.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ventas's performance in the comments below. Until next time.